In this video, you'll learn how to create this dope money animation in After Effects. So let's get started. First, open your composition and drag and drop your money PNG into the layer panel. Now open rotation and set the value to 90 degrees to make the PNG straight. Adjust the size and position a little to fit your composition. Next, move the anchor point to the bottom center of the PNG using the Pan Behind tool. Now create a null object. And make sure its position matches the PNG's anchor point. Then add an effect called slider control to the null object. Open the rotation property of the PNG. Then go to Null, Effect, Slider Control. While holding the Alt key, click on the rotation stopwatch to open the expression box. Now link or parent the rotation to the slider control. In the expression box, type Index and press Enter. Next, press Ctrl-D to duplicate the PNG layer about 28 times. Now let's animate it. Make sure your playhead is at the beginning, then add a keyframe for the slider control. Move forward a few frames and set the value to around 22. Select both keyframes and press F9 to ease them. Now open the graph editor and adjust the curve to make the animation smoother, something like this. Let's preview it. Looks great, but the movement stops too soon. To keep the rotation going, we'll add another keyframe. So add a new keyframe and set the value to 23. Then create another keyframe at the end, around 24. Now drag the third keyframe and place it over the second one, and voila, your continuous money rotation animation is ready. To make it even smoother, select all the layers except the background and enable motion blur. Then pre-compose the layers, and you can place your animation anywhere you like. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thank you.